An emergency has been declared in the Porto region of northern Portugal, where firefighters are battling widespread wildfires. The emergency plan was activated overnight from Sunday to Monday. Thousands of firefighters have already been deployed, as forecasters say the risk is very high or at its maximum. Everything's caught fire, she says. The firefighters can't do anything. It's all so dry. It's all caught fire. Activating the emergency plan means reinforcements are on their way. I called the Secretary of State, he says, asking for more help to protect our houses, the people, the animals, the businesses, because considering the scale of this fire, we need all the means available in the country.
Atendendo à dispersão e à dimensão deste incêndio, nós precisamos de todos os meios que estejam disponíveis neste país.
Portugal's been spared a major outbreak of forest fires so far this year, but strong winds and high temperatures have fanned the flames over the weekend.